In today's video, I'll be guiding you to download Mafia 2 on any PC or laptop. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to open any web browser, and then once you're here, you want to go to the search bar and type out Steam. Now once you've done that, you want to make sure to find the official website for Steam, then click on the first link you see that says Welcome to Steam. Now you want to go to the top of your screen and click on Install Steam. Now once you've installed your Steam, you want to go ahead and follow each and every step that I do in order for this to work. So go to the search bar and simply type out Mafia 2. Now once you've installed your Steam, you want to go ahead and follow each and every step that I do in order for this to work. So go to the search bar and simply type out Mafia 2. Now once you've located the game, go ahead and click on View Page. Then in order to play it, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see Add to Cart, then click on it, then click on View My Cart, and then all you want to do now is click on Continue to Payment. Now once you've done that, you will be directed to a page to put in your basic information as well as your payment method in order to buy the game. And if you found this video helpful, go ahead and like and subscribe.